Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic. Recently, I faced the error the application was unable to start correctly with error code 0xc0000142 while trying to launch Microsoft Word. This error can also occur with other applications. After trying a few troubleshooting methods, I found several effective fixes that worked. In this video, I will show you the working solutions that fix the issue. So let's get started. Perform a clean boot. Sometimes background applications interfere with programs and prevent them from launching. Here is how to perform a clean boot. Press Windows+R, type msconfig and press enter. Go to the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable all. Next, open Task Manager, go to the Startup tab and disable all unnecessary startup applications. Restart your PC and try launching the application again. Repair Microsoft Office. If the error only appears in Microsoft Office applications, open Apps and Features, select Microsoft Office, click Modify, choose Quick Repair first. If the issue remains, run Online Repair. Wait for the process to complete, restart your PC and then launch Word again. Clear temporary files. Corrupted temporary files can sometimes interfere with application startup. So clear temporary files and check if that helps fix the issue. Here is how to do so. Press Windows+R, type %temp% and press enter. Delete all the files you can. Repeat the process by typing temp. Restart your computer. Check the disk for file system errors. Disk errors can also cause applications to fail during startup. Here is what to do. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run the below command. If prompted, press Y to schedule the scan after restart. Restart your PC and allow the disk check to complete. Use System Restore. If the problem started recently and you have a restore point, restoring Windows can quickly solve it. Open Control Panel, select Recovery, click Open System Restore. Choose a restore point created before the error started. Follow the prompts and restart your computer. If you don't have a restore point, simply skip this step. Run with administrative privileges. Some applications require administrative permissions. Right-click the application shortcut or go to the file installation location. Select Run as Administrator option and check if Word functions as expected now. Check Event Viewer. Windows logs can reveal what's causing the error. Press Windows+X and select Event Viewer. Expand Windows logs, open application, look for errors occurring when the application crashes. The faulting module listed there can help identify the root cause. Run SFC and DISM Scans. Corrupted Windows system files can also trigger this error. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run first command SFC/scan now. Wait until the scan completes. Then run these commands one by one. DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Once finished, restart your computer. Make sure you are using the updated version of Word. Check your antivirus. Some antivirus programs sometimes can mistakenly block Office services or quarantine important Office files. To fix this, you can temporarily disable your antivirus protection and launch Office. Here is how you can temporarily disable Microsoft Defender antivirus. Press Windows+I to open settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then Windows Security. Click Open Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection settings, click Manage Settings. Turn Real-Time Protection off. If prompted by User Control, click Yes. Now try launching the Microsoft Office. If Office opens successfully, re-enable your antivirus. Add Microsoft Office as an exclusion or trusted application. Update your antivirus to the latest version. Never leave your antivirus disabled permanently. Reinstall the application. If none of the previous methods work, uninstall the application completely. Open Control Panel, then head to Programs and Features. Uninstall Microsoft Word or the affected application. Restart your PC. Download the latest version from the application's official website. Install it again. This often resolves corrupted installation files causing the error. Those are the most effective ways to fix the 0xc0000142, the application was unable to start correctly error. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.